not, outerwear season is about to start. At least traditionally, this is about the time that we start design development for outerwear. And usually every season, we come up with a new design language for quilting. Now, some people really love quilting, drawing quilting, and other people really hate it. I happen to be one of those people who really like it. So today, what I'm going to share with you is my technique for drawing basic quilting in Illustrator.
The first thing you need to know, of course, is what type of quilting you want. And for this exercise, I'm going to keep it pretty basic. It also helps to know what type of fill you want in your jacket. If it's a loose fill versus a sheet or batting, the jacket will appear puffier, and you'll want to highlight the puffiness of the jacket. The first thing I do is use the dashed lines to indicate the placement of the quilting. I'm going to add quilting to the sleeve, and for this puffer jacket, there are only going to be 4 rows of quilting. Then I'm going to add points along the outer edges of the sleeve. Once the points are added, I'm going to use the direction handles to add a little roundness in each section. And this will allow me to exaggerate the puffiness around the quilting. You don't need to make it too round, but you just want to give it some shape so it reads like quilting, which puffs up a little once you stitch through the fill. The last thing I'll add is some gathers, and I'm going to create a brush to do this. In general, I like to create a brush that just indicates a bit of gathering, but not over the top. Some people don't even add this step, and others will manually add shadows instead of adding the gathers.
So I do this for each section of the jacket. But remember, if the jacket has a lighter weight fill, or if the quilting is mostly decorative, you don't need to add the extra points because it's not going to look as round. So you really need to understand what type of fill you're using for the design, because it's going to make a difference in how you draw it. Thanks for watching this week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with another designer if you found it helpful. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time.